Dreaming of wide open spaces, fresh air, and a place to build your rural lifestyle? This versatile 4.5-acre homestead just outside of Agency, Iowa might be exactly what you've been searching for. Perfectly located on a hard surface road within the Cardinal School District and just 20 minutes from Ottumwa and 25 minutes from Fairfield, this property offers the best of both worlds. Peaceful country living with easy access to town amenities. This home is solid and well maintained, offering over 1,200 square feet of comfortable main living. It features hardwood floors and a roof that's in excellent condition. The full, unfinished basement is full of potential, whether you're envisioning more living space, a workshop, or even just extra storage. A 28 by 30 detached garage built in 2016 adds even more functionality and flexibility. But the true gem on this property lies in the land. The gently rolling pasture is ideal for horses, hobby farming, gardening, or simply enjoying the open space. You'll find mature landscaping, fruit trees, and wells that supply multiple hydrants, a cost-effective solution for watering plants, animals, or a future garden. Multiple outbuildings provide extensive storage and workspace. 3 of the machine sheds feature concrete floors, and 1 is fully insulated and finished inside, perfect for winter projects, a home business, or a cozy workshop. Whether you're looking to start a homestead, raise livestock, launch a rural business, or just enjoy the freedom and lifestyle of the countryside, this property is packed with potential. Opportunities like this, rural-ready on hard surface roads, are rare. Schedule your private showing today and come experience all this property has to offer. My name is Danny Fain, and I'm proudly representing LandGuys here in Southeast Iowa.